What's in course? Real-life examples of retaining wall analyses. Example 1. Steel sheet pile shoring wall with 1 row of ground anchors. Example 2. Diaphragm wall for 3-level basement. Step-by-step guide on how to build and run 2D Plaxis models. Examples of practical use of various Plaxis tools. Detailed calculations of material properties of structural elements. Tips on how to analyze and optimize parameters of retaining walls and ground anchors based on the results of Plaxis analysis. To enroll in the course, please follow the link in the video description.